Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to my channel. To those of you that are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So last week I did analysis on Euro USD for this week, right? So you can go back to confirm. I think that is for January 30 to February 3, 3rd of February, that I said that Euro USD will give us a bullish move for the week and it will take out this level of 1.10178. This is the level that I talked about. Guess what? Euro USD gave us that bullish move. You can go back to actually confirm if you would want. Euro USD has actually taken out this level of 1.10178. Actually, it took out that level. I think it was on Wednesday, right? So we would want to know where this price will be moving for this week, right? But before we get that right, before we actually go get that right, I also did analysis, for which is on Thursday, right? I told you guys that since price has actually broken out of this level, like I said, it's that we should expect a drop to actually test this level. Like I said, so that on this 4 hour time frame, price wants range within this level. And I told you guys that since price has broken out of this level, we must expect a drop to test the same level. So price eventually give us that drop. Now let's see where this price will be moving for this week. To be able to, before I go ahead, I want you guys to know that I have a Patreon channel which I want to introduce to you guys. What I tend to do in that channel is to put out, high probability trade that I think or I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of hitting such trade. I'm not trying to say that we would have 100% or I am totally perfect, but at least high probability trade is what I want to give it out. I'm not trying to say my analysis is 100% correct. No, it can't be 100% correct, but at least we have 70% chance of getting that correction and higher and above. So if in case you are interested, make sure you give it a try. Check the link below in the comment section. I'll be pasting the link. Give it a try, right? If at the end of the month you're actually not getting the value that I said, that's all I promised to give you. If you are not getting that value, you can go ahead to cancel it, right? So now this is the picture. This is my Euro USD. One thing I know for this week that you are predicting for on Euro USD, we would actually have a bearish move. Let's just see if with this you pay pullback. Now, first, the reason why I'm saying that is that let's take a look at it on the fundamental aspects of it on Euro USD. First, we can see the news on federal fund rate and that interest rate that was increased on Wednesday, right? We expect USD, or will I say USD, to actually rise up. So any other pairs will be trading to USD will actually fall. But guess what happened that day? A lot of traders were actually watching out for, expecting euro to actually fall that day. But guess what happened? Reversal was the case. Price actually spiked up and took out a lot of traders, right? So price actually went up, right? When it gave us this bullish move, you can see it on Wednesday, it gave us that bullish move. On Thursday that I did this analysis, I told you guys that you should be very, very careful again for going bullish move. So during that, London section, price actually went bullish, which I told you guys that I probably would not be taking. What I would watch out for is this drop. So eventually, once the drop came in, I was drop on it. So now we'll be expecting more drop, by the way, on this Euro USD, especially for this week. Now back to the 4 hour weekly time frame. Let's just assume that this is a bullish move, right? We take a look at this to be an higher highs, then you see this to be a pullback, no doubt. We take a look at this to be a new highs that took out the previous highs and then a pullback here. If you should take a look at this again, a new highs that took out the previous highs and another movement high pullback that's been made. If you take a look at this another highs, we can see that this pullback was made and came to our 10 period simple moving average, rejecting. Now this is a new high, so you can see this candlestick sticking at the bottom. Now a pullback is actually playing out, which I strongly believe this pullback is not yet over. I'm going to give you some reasons why the pullback is not yet over, so you will check it out and compare. So I'm still expecting more drop to be made. Then maybe if price will continue to go bullish, I will let you know. And if in case price will continue to drop, I surely definitely will let you know. But those people that will first know is those who are my Patreon subscribers. So become a Patreon subscriber. Give it a try. I will put the link in the comment section below. Just give it a try. At the end of the month, at least you should be able to get what I'm trying to say. So now let's go down to the daily time frame. So we can see that this is a huge spike up. So price has eventually dropped. a lot of people were actually waiting, expecting a drop during that Wednesday, but it actually went up, took out a lot of traders, right? A lot of traders were also, jumping in. You see that's why I said I would not be jumping in. I just don't want to play with all what those traders are doing. Every traders, I will patiently wait for this price to actually drop. So I'm going to ride on the drop. So, during that morning, price actually went up. I'm sure a lot of traders actually jumping. They were thinking, okay, price will continue to go bullish more. So people can actually drop. And now we can see price has actually dropped, taking out another trader. So one thing is that I know a lot of traders will be confused now. Will this price continue to go up? Will it actually drop? I know that is what you might be asking. But one thing I know for this week is that at least price should drop to take out this level, right? For this week. This is what I'll be watching out for this week. But first, we need to hit this level of 1.07751. If price can hit that level on Euro USD, definitely price will break below the level. Then this is the next level I'll be watching out. Or let me tap this level. Let's say this level is more, I say more reasonable. This level of 1.07130. So this week that we are predicting for on Euro USD, let's try and hit a level of 1.07130. So Euro USD, we expect it to drop, tap the level, possibly break below it or give us massive pullback from there. So another reason why I said Euro to USD actually drop is take a look at our DXY. So if you take a look at it on the daily aspect, right, you see that this is a lower lows and a lower highs. Now let's start from here, the XY or USD index if you want. So this is a drop and this happens to be a pullback, right? And then another drop has been made that took out the previous lows, then a pullback here. If you take a look at this, another drop that took out these previous lows and then a pullback here, right? If you should take a look at this again, you see that a drop and a little bit of a pullback being played out here and everything. Well, let's start movement from here. So let's take this. This is a drop, massive drop, right? And a pullback is definitely playing out. So we will be expecting this pullback to actually give us, we expect this pullback to come and tap this level of 13.336. So this for this week on DXY or USD index, I personally am watching out for a level of 103.336. Price can eventually breaks above it. Price can then start dropping from that level. But if there's going to be an update, I'm going to give it to only my Patreon subscribers. So become one, you'll be able to get an update from me. So this week I am watching out for a level of 103.336. So that is to say that if this DXY or USD starts giving us this bullish move to a level of 103.336, any other peers we will be trading to our USD needs to fall. So this is why I say Euro to US will definitely drop this week because we are expecting the XY to actually go bullish to hit this level of 103. Then definitely once there's a rise in USD, then Euro to USD will definitely fall. So this is why I'm saying I'm at least watching out for a level of 1.07130. But before you actually go ahead and take this trade for the week, wait for a pullback, right? Do not go ahead and jump on that trade. That is why I said become my Patreon subscriber so you'll be able to get an update from me. So now this is a drop and this is a pullback that tap this moving average. So this is another massive drop. What you must surely get a pullback. That is what I want you guys to know. You can see that this price is at a level here. You can see that once price has reacted to this same level, price has reacted to this same level. So we are at this level that we expect price to react to this level. So we expect price to actually give us that pullback as a bullish move. Then that will not give us an opportunity to even sell. That means this will make us even grab more pips right away. So if in case price give us a pullback to this same level and we go ahead and sell to this level that I've just been mentioning, at least we'll be able to grab 150 pips and possibly and above, 150 pace, 200 pace, maybe 250 pace. But first this week, we need to grab 150 pace. But before that, a pullback needs to be made, then go ahead and sell on Euro USD for the week.